Hello, today we're gonna make a very berry peach smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of whey powder, which is optional, 1/8 cup of blueberries, and 1/8 cup of peaches, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, you wanna add the milk, and then the peaches, and then the blueberries, and then the strawberries, and then the optional whey powder, and then the honey, and then vanilla extract. After that, you want to blend all the ingredients together until you have the right consistency of a smoothie. Then pour it into a glass and enjoy your healthy, quick, and easy smoothie. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!